But today I have a wig review from a Amazon company. I'm just gonna be opening it and unboxing it for you guys. I'm also going to be installing it, but not me, my hairstylist. And you guys are pretty much gonna see the whole process. So you guys are gonna see me unboxing it, me touching it, doing all that stuff, and then the install and my review on that. If you guys wanna go ahead and continue to watch, stay tuned. Family, it's your girl Sage the Hustler here, back today with another video. Hi guys, how are you guys doing today? If you have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do it now. If you have not clicked the notification bell, go ahead and do it now. Today I have a wig review from a Amazon company. It's gonna be on screen here, and I'm just gonna be opening it and unboxing it for you guys. I'm also going to be installing it, but not me, my hairstylist. And you guys are pretty much gonna see the whole process. So you guys are gonna see me unboxing it, me touching it, doing all that stuff, and then the install and my review on that. So if you guys wanna go ahead and continue to watch, stay tuned. This is the package that it looks like from the Amazon. I'm just covering my address and stuff like that. So this is what it came in. As you can see, I haven't even opened it. I waited until I did my install. I've already put a comment on there. Yes, I did put a comment on there on how I felt about how the wig feels and stuff like that, because my best friend also is doing a review too, so I pretty much felt her hair and stuff like that, and that's how I was able to do the review on Amazon and comment and stuff like that. And I did say stay tuned. Combs inside of here. This is what's holding the lace. This is how it looks. It's curly, it's soft, and I guess you could part it any which way. It's already parted. So yeah, I'm gonna see what my hairstyle is gonna do. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and head out to my hair appointment. Okay, sorry YouTube, I didn't make a video for y'all, but I'm gonna make another one. I'm gonna make a better one, but this is 3 days. I didn't want to like not keep making videos about this hairstyle, so about this wig. So this is a wig. It's gonna be on screen about where I got it from. I'm doing a review. So far I like it. You know, all I do is wet it and spray it and then take a comb and then do that and then put some mousse in. My lovely hairstylist did go ahead and slay these edges. As you can see, you know, the 11 Max Pro will show you guys, you know, it's a lace, but from here it's like, what lace? So, you know, all the baby's hair, you know, it looked like I'm a little Puerto Rican mommy or whatever. Or not even, I look like a little Haitian baby with better texture than my hair. I'm just saying my hair is a little rough, but nothing wrong with some rough texture. It's just, this would have been cool too. But yeah, this is how my hairstylist did it. She didn't really give me a part so I can like be free with it on whatever I wanted to do. But this is me day 3, because I got my hair done Friday and today's Sunday, so like Friday, bro, my lips are like kind of, let me put some Vaseline on. I can't do this. Sorry YouTube, I done disrespected y'all with some ashy ass lips. Let me go ahead and put some Vaseline on. y'all. I need to do better. I really do. But what was I saying? I got my hair done Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So this is 2 days. Tomorrow's gonna be day 3. And I was gonna be a better video, but I just wanted to give you guys an update on how it looks so far. Shout out to the MUA that did my makeup. I'll go ahead and add her Instagram on screen. I was doing it for her. I was doing a little face model. Comment below on how you like this look. I feel like, I don't know, I like it. I always say when I get older, I'm gonna cut my hair, so I like me short looks. It looks nice. My hairstylist said I look older, but I don't know. Do I, y'all? Do I look older? My face look more like mature? I don't know. But yeah, stay tuned. Hey y'all. Okay, so today is a Tuesday. So today's a Tuesday. I got my hair done on Friday. We on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So we on day 4. This is a wig install. Again, I will insert the wig on screen to where I got it. I'm doing an Amazon review. So far, I'm really liking the hair. Like, it's a 10 inch, but I wish that I got a longer inch. Like, if they had like longer than the 14 that they had, or I think the 16, I would definitely buy from them. From the shedding, I'll show you guys on screen how much it was as far as like after my stylist like co-washed it. And then she also did let me know that she bleached the knots, but the knots did take some time to bleach and it bleached dark. That's what she told me. But listen, y'all, I'm gonna add my hairstylist on screen and I'm gonna show some pictures on how it was like the first day that I think it was the first day. It might have been day 2, or it might have been that same day because I didn't finish around like midnight. So it might have been that same day. But y'all, she slayed the hell out of my edges. Like, how is my edges like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's molded in that bitch. Like, how is it still lit after 4 days? And I have been out. I think I went to a little get together on July 4th. Like, I don't know how well it's gonna stay, but like, it's nice. And she did a little good job. She did a really good job. Her Instagram will be on screen. All in all, I do like this wig and I would recommend anybody else to purchase it. Like, I put 4 stars on Amazon, but I'll give them 5 stars from this review because so far I haven't really had any trouble with it. My hairstylist liked it. I like it. People like it. I've got compliments on it. I feel like I look like a little kid, but my hairstylist tells me I look older. I don't know. I love short hair, but this is my first wig review from a different company on my channel, so go ahead and check them out. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I post. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for the support. We are on the road to 1K by sub, so please help us reach our goal. Stay clean, stay blessed, and have an amazing day.
Y'all coming? Yeah, share,
hey,
subscribe.
Hey,
if
hey,
you don't, you wanna die. Hey. Gonna tell you this one time. Hey. This hustler on the line.